ओम सच्ची जनवाणी नमे चैनल पर आपका स्वागत है। आर के त्यागी, गाजियाबाद, एनसीआर, दिल्ली। साथियों, यूट्यूब चैनल को सब्सक्राइब अवश्य करें और वीडियो को शेयर, लाइक, कमेंट करें ताकि वीडियो दूर तक जाए। ये एक लेटर है AIBRWA का, ये मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ। ये इन्होंने लिखा है 20 तारीख में और ये लेटर का नंबर है AIBRWA FM DFS RES 992/2024। डॉक्टर विवेक जोशी, सेक्रेटरी, फाइनेंशियल सर्विसेज, डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ फाइनेंशियल सर्विसेज, मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ फाइनेंस, गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया, न्यू दिल्ली, regarding pensioners धरना at Jantar Mantar, New Delhi on Sunday 4th February 24. Respected Dr. Joshi, on 4th February 24, a dharna of the bank pensioners forum from across the country was staged at Jantar Mantar, New Delhi under the presidency of Sri S.N. Sharma. A memorandum containing the resolution of dharna was passed, addressed to Honorable Finance Minister Srimati Nirmala Sitharaman. We enclose here with a copy of said memorandum with a request to please place before Honorable Minister our following issues with the humble request to consider the same and give us justice. Pension updation on RBI line. Number 2, health insurance at bank's cost. Number 3, pension on special allowance. And number 4 है one last chance to left आउट रिटायर्ड बैंक मेंस। और ये इनके साइन है, ऑनरेरी सेक्रेटरी करके, और कॉपी ऑफ मेमोरेंडम है। तो ये है, और मेमोरेंडम की कॉपी भी मैं आपको दे देता हूँ, पढ़ देता हूँ जो इन्होंने भेजा है उनको मेमोरेंडम। ये फाइनेंस मिनिस्ट्री में भी गया है। ये AIBRWA रजिस्टर्ड है और इसके पैड पर है और डेट है 4/2/2024 का मेमोरेंडम बना था उसी दिन का। और लेटर नंबर इसमें रेजोल्यूशन FM 993/2024, सिस्टर निर्मला सीतारमन, ऑनरेबल फाइनेंस मिनिस्टर, गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया, न्यू दिल्ली, मोस्ट रेस्पेक्टेड मैम, रिगार्डिंग बैंक पेंशंस धरना एट जंतर मंतर, न्यू दिल्ली ऑन संडे 4th February 24। ये मेमोरेंडम है, अभी सब बता देता हूँ। थाउजेंड्स ऑफ बैंक पेंशनर्स फ्रॉम अक्रॉस द कंट्री पार्टिसिपेटेड इन द National Dharna of Bank Pensioners organized at Jantar Mantar, New Delhi today, 4th February 24, which was presided by Sri S.N. Sharma, President, AIBRWA R Delhi. The Dharna was organized by AIBRWA in collaboration with Forum of Bank Pension Activists, Prayagraj, including AIPNBRA, AIPNBROA, We Bankers, Group of Pensioners, State Bank, All Kerala Bank Pensioners, Forum of NCCPA, UFBRA, Bengaluru, Bank of India Retirees Association, South, and AIPRPA Association have participated enthusiastically. The dharna has been supported by working bank unions like AIBOA, NOVW, NOVO, and We Bankers. The burning issues of pensioners in the dharna are pensioners revision on RBI line, second है pension calculation on special allowance, third है health insurance of pensioners at the cost of banks, and fourth है last chance of pension up to option to left out retirees. After detailed discussions on these issues, the delegates sitting on Dharna unanimously adopted the following resolutions. Number 1, pension updation on RBI line. The pensioners who came to Dharna unanimously condemned the anti-pensions policy of IBA, UFBU bank management. Pensions and pay are two sides of the same coin. After the implementation of the pension in banks with effect from 1st January 86, salary revision took place 6 times, but pension revision did not happen once. Pensioners are aware that the pension scheme of banking is a replica of central pension rules, and it is clearly written in the pension agreement 29 October 1993 that all the terms and conditions of the pension scheme, including pension revision, will be on RBI lines. The IBU bank management in their agreement to remove the forfeitures clause from the pension regulation 1995 have reiterated that the RBI pension scheme is the bedrock of the bank pension scheme. तो ये बिल्कुल सही बात है और यही हमारा इशू है पेंशन अपडेशन में, पेंशन रिवीजन ऑन आरबीआई लाइन वाला। आगे कहते हैं पेंशन रेजोल्यूशन में आगे लिखते हैं पेंशनर्स आर अवेयर दैट द पेंशन ऑफ द pensioners till 31st October 17 has been updated on the Reserve Bank, but IBA, UFBU bank management are making various excuses for not revising the pension of the bank pensioners, which is sheer injustice. Through the dharna, the pensioners appeal to the government to intervene and update their pension on the RBI line. ये तो पेंशन अपडेशन पे। नेक्स्ट है पेंशन सेकंड नंबर, पेंशन कैलकुलेशन ऑन स्पेशल अलाउंस। पेंशनर्स यूनानिमसली कंडेम्ड द डिसीजन ऑफ IBA UFBU बैंक मैनेजमेंट टू क्रिएट स्पेशल अलाउंस बाय reducing basic pay and excluding it from pension calculation, and demanded that special allowance being a part of basic pay should not deprive of pension entitlement. The special allowance has been made with the malified intention to put a lid on pensionary gains arising out of the future wage revisions. Every allowance has a productivity related purpose. There is no such purpose of this special allowance. It is paid to all employees and officers without any extra work. It has been made with a able-minded, and due to these pensioners who have retired since November 12 are losing thousands of rupees of pension every month. The pensioners assembled in Dharna demanded the government to intervene and allow special allowance for pension calculation. साथियों इसमें जो है 27% हो जाएगा ये अब। तो 27% का मतलब अगर किसी की सैलरी 1.5 लाख है तो उसको 40,000 रुपये कम मिलेगी। मतलब अगर 40,000 20,000 कम मिलेगी पेंशन, मतलब 27% का फ़र्क पड़ रहा है। 1 लाख है तो उसको 27% तो 13,500 कम मिलेगी उसको, क्योंकि आधी मिलती है ना, 50% मिलती है। नेक्स्ट है थर्ड, हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस ऑफ पेंशनर्स एट बैंक कॉस्ट। द पेंशनर्स यूनानिमसली कंडेम्ड द इनह्यूमन पॉलिसी अडॉप्टेड बाय द IBA UFBU बैंक मैनेजमेंट रिगार्डिंग द हेल्थ सिक्योरिटी ऑफ द पेंशनर्स एंड डिमांडेड हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस फॉर द पेंशनर्स एट द कॉस्ट ऑफ द बैंक्स। ड्यू टू द क्रिमिनल नेग्लिजेंस ऑफ द IBA UFBU बैंक मैनेजमेंट, lakhs of pensioners had died for lack of necessary medical treatment. Even today, more than 6.5 lakh pensioners are without any health insurance. Pensioners are aware that 25% of the welfare funds allocated by government is earmarked for the health care pensions and the whole welfare fund. Allocation letter 24th February 12, the DFS has advised that the health insurance of working and retired both may be taken from the welfare funds. Banks are not complying with the DFS advice. They are providing health insurance to working bank employees but not to pensioners. The pensioners assembled in Dharna demanded the government to intervention and assuring health insurance at bank's cost. Fourth, last pension option to left out retirees. Pensioners unanimously demanded the IBA UFBU bank management to give up their obscurity and give one last option of pension option to remaining retirees who have missed out on second option offered in 2010. Many opportunities of the pension option were given to the Reserve Bank, whereas in banks only one opportunity was given in 2010. Though the dharna, the pensioners demanded the intervention of the government and a decision to give the last option to the remaining retirees whose number will not exceed 200 and 300. Though this dharna, the pensioners unanimously seek the beginning intervention of the Honorable Finance Minister, Government of India on the above issues, urge sympathetically consideration and useful decisions. Pensioners have been facing injustice and oppressions for the last 3 decades. The delegates attending dharna appeal for just full decision by drawing attention to the realities already expressed by the Honorable Finance Minister regarding pensioners in her interview given in Business Line on 30 October 20 and in the 73rd annual meeting of IBA on 10 November 20. Madam, we respectfully request you to consider the above issues sympathetically and resolve the problems of bank pensioners that have been pending for decades, for which the pensioners will always be grateful to you. Respectful regards, KD Kheda, RS Sharma, Honorable Secretary, Chief Advisor, AIPNBR हैं KD खेड़ा, और SN शर्मा चेयरमैन धरना। ये था इनका मैसेज। धन्यवाद साथियों। नमन। आर के त्यागी, गाजियाबाद NCR। भारत माता की जय। वंदे मातरम। थैंक्स।